Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a review of the ERYONE high-speed PLA plus filament in white. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what makes this filament stand out. The ERYONE high-speed PLA plus is a 1.75mm filament that is specifically designed for high-speed 3D printing. This premium filament is not only easy to use but also engineered to meet the demanding performance requirements of high-speed 3D printers, making it a great choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of the standout features of this filament is its impressive printing speed. With a range of 30 to 500 mm per second, you can significantly cut down on your printing time without sacrificing quality. This is a huge improvement for anyone who has ever felt frustrated waiting for prints to finish. The ability to print faster means you can complete more projects in less time, which is a game changer for both hobbyists and businesses. Compatibility is another strong point of the ERYONE PLA plus. It works seamlessly with most FDM 3D printers, making it a versatile option for a wide range of users. The recommended print temperature for this filament is between 190 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, with a bed temperature of 60 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. This broad temperature range allows for flexibility in your printing process and helps to ensure optimal adhesion and finish. Another practical feature of this filament is its vacuum-sealed packaging. This thoughtful design keeps the filament dry and free from dust, which is essential for maintaining its quality. Moisture can cause printing issues, so having it packaged properly ensures that you get the best results with every print. Now, who is this filament suitable for? If you're a hobbyist looking to speed up your 3D printing projects, or a professional needing a reliable filament for rapid prototyping, this PLA Plus is worth considering. It's ideal for creating everything from intricate designs to functional prototypes. In terms of practical use cases, the ERYONE high-speed PLA Plus is perfect for producing detailed models,